Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Calm Speak English. I'm Alex, and I'm very happy you're here with us today.
Hi, everyone. I'm Emma. It's great to be here again. We hope you're feeling relaxed and ready to practice some easy English with us.
Before we start, don't forget to like this episode, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. It really helps us grow.
Thank you so much for your support. Okay, Alex, are you ready for today's topic?
Yes, and today's topic is a very important question.
That's right. Today we talk about tell me about yourself.
This is a very common question. People ask it at school, at work, in interviews, and when they meet new people.
And many English learners feel nervous about this question.
But don't worry. Today, we will make it simple, calm, and easy for you.
Okay, Alex, let's practice. I will ask you first. Tell me about yourself.
Okay, I will start simple. My name is Alex. Repeat after me. My name is Alex.
Good. Now I ask, where are you from?
I am from Canada. Repeat. I am from Canada.
Nice and clear. I will answer too. My name is Emma. I am from the United Kingdom.
Now let's talk about where we live. Emma, where do you live?
I live in a big city. It is busy, but I like it.
I live in a small town. It is quiet and calm.
Big city or small town, both are good.
Now, a common question. How old are you?
I am 26 years old. Repeat. I am 26 years old.
I am 30 years old. Age is optional. You don't have to say it if you don't want to.
Alex, what do you do?
I am an English teacher. I love my job.
That's wonderful. I am a student. I study design and art.
Teacher and student, a perfect learning team.
Let's talk about family. Do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one sister. She is younger than me.
I have two brothers. They are both older than me.
Do you have a pet, Emma?
Yes, I have a cat. Her name is Luna. She is very calm.
I have a dog. His name is Max. He is very active and friendly.
Now, let's talk about favorite things. What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza. Repeat. My favorite food is pizza.
My favorite food is pasta.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is green.
My favorite color is blue.
Hobbies. Alex, what are your hobbies?
I like listening to music and playing sports. I play soccer.
That's great. My hobby is painting, and I also like reading books.
You can also talk about what you don't like. For example, I don't like olives.
And I don't like very spicy food.
And here's a simple example together. Hello, my name is Alex. I am from Canada. I am a teacher. I like pizza and dogs.
And mine. Hi, my name is Emma. I am from the UK. I am a student. I like art and cats.
Simple, clear, and friendly.
You don't need a long answer. Just choose two or three things.
Your name, your job, your hobby. That's enough.
And remember, this question is not scary.
It's an invitation to share who you are.
Now it's your turn.
Go to the comments and write 1 or 2 sentences about yourself.
For example, my name is Sarah. I am from Iran. I like music.
We would love to read your comments.
Thank you for learning with us today.
Keep practicing, stay calm, and believe in yourself. See you in the next episode. Bye for
Bye.
now.